Okay, everyone, every single public building, especially schools, need Bluepoint police alarms installed to save lives during this unfortunate, sad time of gun violence inside of buildings to protect people. What Bluepoint will do is notify the police and send out a notification throughout the whole building to go into lockdown. If God forbid there was danger inside the building, and what those type of systems will do is save lives during the worst case scenario, just like the fire alarms have for many years. It has been 7 decades since somebody has died during a fire at school, all thanks to fire drills, fire sprinklers, and fire alarms, and faster fire department responses to schools. So we have already solved the problems of fires. So we need to solve the problems of a even more serious danger inside of our schools and in every public building. Goodbye.